Welcome to Taiwandering with Jason. We are at Best Buy right now and I have a drone. And this is thanks to all the people that have purchased my Taiwandering with Jason t-shirts. I'm actually wearing one right now. Just recently did an episode with Santos Chronicles and I saw how awesome his drone was and I said, I gotta get one too. So we're actually gonna go and test out the drone today so I can learn how to use it in my preparation for the videos in Taiwan. So let's get going. Hi, how's it going? I am back. I am actually at Carl's house. What I'm going to do is unbox this new drone that I purchased at Best Buy. So this is the drone and it is called a Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo. So I'm going to open it up and check it out. Wow, look at this. We have this leather case for the drone. Nice. Everything is so fancy. All right. Now, I've actually never flown a drone before. I'm a total rookie at this. So this is all new to me. Well, we have the drone right here. As you can see, it's pretty small. When Carl showed me his, I was amazed by the size of it. I just thought it was going to be a lot bigger, but this seems pretty lightweight and able to transport to various places easily in your backpack. So this is the drone right here. Okay, this looks like the controllers. All right, pretty neat. Let's open this up. I'm so excited. I mean, I saw Carl's footage and I couldn't believe all he was able to do. And so when I go to Taiwan, I can't wait to test out the drone and film there. Get some great aerial shots. Okay, so these are what the blades look like. Okay, wow. Very neat. What we're going to do is we're going to plug this in and in a little bit we're going to go outside and check it out. And this will be my first time flying this drone.
Don't crash it!
So we are ready to give this a first test flight. This is my new drone that I just got today. And Carl took me out to this field. We have his daughter Rosalie over here. Rosalie, say hi.
Say hi.
And this is our first test flight. So hopefully, as Carl said, don't crash it. That's my main goal right now. So let's see this drone in action.
Let go. Let go. Put it up. There we go. Okay, have it go out. Okay, good. Now go like left and right. Okay, go to the other one. Okay, what is
Record?
Huh?
Should I record?
Yes! Always first rule, record. Now you gotta do the whole thing over again.
We'll do it one more time.
No, you're good. Just fly it up. Yep. There you go. Left and right. Always record. Jason's like a kid at a candy store right now. I just told him, Jason, you cannot crash this within your first 5 flights. So be very careful. Okay, land it.
Wow, this thing is amazing. I can't wait to keep getting better at this, and again, hopefully I don't crash it, but Carl's a good teacher, so I'm loving this thing so far. No buyer's remorse for sure.